Did you know if one of the strongest natural health supporters wasn't a supplement or a superfood trend, but something already in your kitchen? Garlic has been used for centuries, not because of hype, but because it works quietly and consistently. Garlic is more than just a flavor booster, it's a powerful natural food rich in plant compounds that support multiple systems in the body. Even small daily amounts can have a meaningful impact on long term health. One of the biggest benefits of garlic is immune support. Garlic contains natural compounds that help the body defend itself against everyday stress and environmental challenges. It doesn't replace medical care, but it supports the body's natural defense system in a balanced way. Garlic is also well known for heart health support. It helps support healthy blood circulation and normal blood flow, which is important for long term cardiovascular wellness. Healthy circulation benefits the entire body, from brain function to muscle performance. Another important benefit is digestion. Garlic supports gut health by helping balance the digestive system and supporting healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption and overall body function. Garlic also supports energy and daily strength. By supporting circulation and oxygen flow, garlic helps the body feel more active and balanced instead of tired and sluggish. It also supports natural detox processes in the body. The liver plays a major role in cleansing the system, and garlic supports the liver's natural functions in a gentle and balanced way. Garlic also supports joint and muscle comfort by helping the body manage everyday inflammation caused by daily activity and stress. Now let's talk about how to use garlic properly. The best form of garlic is fresh garlic. Crush or chop it and let it sit for a minute before using it. This activates its natural compounds. You can add it to vegetables, soups, curries, rice dishes, and stir fries. Raw garlic can also be used in small amounts, mixed with honey or added to warm water, but it should always be used gently and in moderation, especially for sensitive stomachs. Roasted garlic is another great option. It becomes mild, soft, and easy to digest while still keeping many of its benefits. You can spread it on whole grain toast or add it to meals. Garlic oil can be used in cooking for flavor, but fresh garlic is always the most effective form for health support. The key is consistency, not quantity. 1 or 2 cloves a day is enough for most people. Large amounts are not necessary and can cause discomfort. Garlic is not a miracle cure. No single food is. But as part of a balanced lifestyle, garlic is one of the strongest natural support foods you can use daily. Real health isn't built through trends or shortcuts. It's built through small, simple habits. Garlic is one of those habits. Simple, natural, and powerful. Use it daily, use it wisely, and let consistency do the work your body needs, because strong health always starts with simple choices. Stay with Wellness Lab. Thank you.